Alright, fellas, I'm out in the garage here this morning, and you know what? It's going to be another hot day. Daggone it. They're saying that this is going to be the last hot and humid day, then it's going to start cooling down a little bit, get back into the, I think the upper 80s. Yeah, I wish it was 70s, upper 80s, and maybe in the 60s in the morning. So the frog flies are coming up in 3 days on Friday. And the weather's looking good so far. So tomorrow I'm going to be cutting grass, but then Thursday I'm going to clean up Ruby and put a coat of wax on her and get things ready. And we'll be heading up to the frog college on Friday morning. Probably we're going to be leaving here about 7 o'clock. I think the gates open at 6, but we're going to leave here about 7 o'clock and get out there and have a fun day on Friday and Saturday. And like I said in my other video, if any of you are planning on coming to the frog college to walk around and check out all the hot rods, look us up. Look for the big red truck, Ruby. All right, let's get over here, guys. I got a bench update. Let's do a time temperature check. It is about 8:15 a.m. and we already got 84 degrees, 66% humidity. Man, it's already hot. And I got my 3D printer running this morning because I want to show you guys something. This is my next project. Bought this kit some time back. This is a Revell 55 Ford panel truck. And you know, even looking at the pictures, those wheels and tires look small. That's something I just didn't like about this kit. The wheels and tires just look really small. And even looking it up on doing a search on the old interweb, everyone I saw, the tires look small on this panel truck. I don't know why. So here's what I did, guys. I got a little mock-up going here, kind of rough. I had a hard time getting those wheels to stay together underneath there, but and I didn't put the disc brakes on the back. I've got them on the front, but I've got them for the back. But those are some American Torque Thrust 6-lug, not 5, but 6-lug wheels I'm going to use on here. And even these, they just don't look like they fill up the wheel wells enough. So, like I said, I got my 3D printer running this morning, and I have taken these wheels and scaled them up an extra 5% bigger, and we're going to see how those work out. If they're too big, then I'll just go with these right here, but I think those are going to look pretty cool on there. Before we get too deep into this, guys, I got a couple kits in. I did some horse trading and got a couple kits in, and boy, I'm tell you what, I'm glad to get these. You guys know I love these old 41 Willies. Look at this. Got this one in. That's the Stone Woods and Cook 41 Willys gasser. Man, I just love these kits. That's cool looking, isn't it? And I got this one in. Big John Masmanian 41 Willys gasser. I've built this one before, and then I rebuilt it, and that's the one I did here in black. And I rebuilt it as Stone Woods and Cook, if you guys remember that one. But I would be redoing this one. I'm thinking I'll do that one in red this time instead of black. I'm gonna do it in red, and pretty sure I'm gonna make it a gasser, just like you see here. I like the old gassers; they just look pretty cool. But man, you know, look at the engine. This thing's got a killer engine in it. So I don't know, guys. We'll just see what happens. You know, just love these kits. Old 41 Willys. Got 2 more. Still got another one up there in the stash somewhere. That I need to build. I think it's just the body and the glass. I don't have a chassis for it, but I'll have to. But I got these 2 down. So, all right, let's get back to this, guys. That you look at the stance. That's the stance that I would like to get. Right there. So what I've been doing on the chassis. Let me get my pointer, guys. Oh, it's got my big fat finger in the way. If you look here, this cross member was right up underneath that axle, and it was turned up this way, just like that. So the higher part is in the middle, and it jacked that axle up pretty high. Well, actually, this is upside down, so it jacked it down. So I cut that cross member out of there and let that axle go down and rest on the chassis, and that set that ride height for the rear just perfect. So I'm happy with that. But now I've got the problem with this front suspension. It's too high, way too high. So I'm thinking, let me stand up here. I'm thinking that I might maybe cut it right here and let those spindles swing down. But I think when they swing down, they're going to be swinging back also. So I need for it to drop straight down. So I may take this off here and I'll show you. See these little nubs here with the hole in it? See how far that's got that jacked up? I've already taken my drill bit and drilled down through these to keep that alignment so I can still pin that piece on there. So I think I might shave these off there, and that will allow that back section to sit down further. That back section will be going down, and when I cut this, the front section will be going down, so hopefully it'll be going down straight down, and that's what I'm shooting for. But guys, you know how it is. We'll see how it works out, but that's what I'm shooting for. I always have trouble with the front suspension, trying to get it where I want it. It just always, the back doesn't seem too bad, just always that front. Got all my pieces laid out here. Got been checking things out. I'm pretty sure I'll still be using these right here. Don't know about the backing plate yet, but got all the rest of the stuff out here. Here's the engine laying out here. You know, that engine looks fairly decent, but I'm still undecided yet. Just don't know. I mean, I think all the engines that I've printed out, a lot of them are, got dual 4 barrels, bug catcher on top, or they're blown, or so I want to keep the hood intact. I want it to stay where it is. I don't want to have to cut a hole or anything in it. So that's my plan right there, guys. I think it's got a killer stance right there. I'm hoping those bigger wheels will work out and fill the wheel well up just a little bit more, and then I think I'll be a happy camper. It might, it'll probably give it the look of maybe like these are actually 22-inch wheels, but with that scale up, it might give it the appearance of 24-inch wheels. So we'll just have to wait and see how that turns out, because I'm just not sure yet. But well, guys, I think that's about all I got here. Just want to come on and give an update. This is my next victim up on the bench right yonder, and I won't be doing a whole lot here in the next few days, because like I said, I got to cut grass tomorrow, and then Thursday I'm going to put a coat of wax on Ruby, and then Friday and Saturday we'll be out at the fairgrounds for the frog follies. So probably get after it the following Sunday or Monday. All right, guys, I'm done.